Hey there, healthcare professionals. Let's dive into why due diligence is a game changer in healthcare acquisitions. Now, you might be thinking, why is due diligence so crucial? Well, it's all about uncovering potential risks and opportunities before finalizing a deal. Imagine you're buying a new clinic. Without thorough due diligence, you could miss out on hidden liabilities or, conversely, unrealized growth potentials. First up, financial due diligence. This involves analyzing financial statements, revenue streams, and expense patterns. You want to ensure the numbers add up and there are no financial skeletons in the closet. Next, let's talk about regulatory compliance. The healthcare industry is rife with regulations. Due diligence helps verify that the target entity complies with all relevant laws and guidelines. This step is crucial to avoid costly legal issues down the line. Clinical operations are another key area. Assessing the quality of care, patient satisfaction, and staffing levels can reveal a lot about the operational health of the acquisition target. And don't forget about technology and data. With the rise of digital health, evaluating the IT infrastructure and data security measures is essential. After all, a data breach could be disastrous. So, there you have it. Due diligence isn't just a checkbox. It's a comprehensive process that can make or break your acquisition. It uncovers risks, highlights opportunities, and sets the stage for a successful integration. Until next time, stay informed and keep making smart decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Prime Exit's M&A advisory. For more insights and expert advice on healthcare M&A, and for a free valuation of your company, contact us today at valuations@pexits.com.